Hello everyone, my name is Mandea Michael and you're welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be talking about a feature that is on our phones that is really useful. There are so many times where you have to give people directions to your new location. Probably you have just moved out from your old residence and you've moved into a different area. Most people haven't visited you yet, or most people still don't know where exactly you have moved to. So when your friends calls you for directions to your new place, you give them the exact directions, but they seem not to get it because they actually are not familiar with the area. And then what happens? They end up spending more time locating your place. The solution to this particular problem is Google Maps. Unfortunately, most people find it very difficult understanding this particular feature or even navigating their way around this. That's because it appears to look so complicated. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the basic features that will help you find the exact route to your location. Let me start off by saying Google Maps is a feature that is very simple for everybody to use. Basically, there's always two situations. It's either you are finding the route to a specific location or you are sending your specific location to somebody. Let's deal with them one after the other. So let's say you are sending your location to somebody. Let's take your phone and go to any of the messaging app you have on your smartphone, maybe WhatsApp. Go to the place where you usually transfer or where you usually share pictures. Tap on that button. You would have the option to send your location. But for this to work effectively, make sure you go to your settings and turn on your location service. Once your location service is turned on, go straight and share your location on your messaging app. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Now, let's say you are also at the other end that is receiving the location. What you also need to do is to go right to your settings, turn on your location service, come back, open the chat, tap on the location, and Google Maps will launch. At this point, you don't have to do anything. There will be an indicator on the app that represents you. And then when you look closely, you'll see another indicator on the app that represents your destination. And at this point, all you need to do is to follow the main route. It surely will lead you to your destination. Along your journey, if you should take a wrong route, the feature would re-navigate around to give you another access route that will lead you to your destination. Another nice thing you should know about this feature is that it gives you voice commands as to when you should take your left and when you should take your right. And it doesn't wait until you get to the right end before it communicates to you. It gives you this command whilst you are so far away. So in all, you just don't have anything to worry about. If you find this video helpful, kindly support the channel by subscribing to it. Turn on the notifications so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to see. You can as well follow all my social media handles for more videos of this kind. Feel free to share this video with friends, family, and loved ones. See you in the next video.